Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to sync your calendar with Waze. So Waze can use your calendar events to help you plan trips and determine when you need to leave. The exact options may vary depending on your phone and Waze versions. So actually guys, just go ahead and open Waze on your smartphone and then just tap the menu or the three lines that's located at the top left corner. So here you will need to open the settings, of course, the gear icon, and now you will need to scroll down until you can find the notifications. So here you can go with planned drives or reminders, right? So go with planned drives, of course, and go with connect calendar, right? So here you will be forwarded into your phone's settings, right? Or the Waze on your phone or the phone settings, of course. So now you will need to tap on the calendar and then just go or calendars, and then you will need to go with the full access option. Okay, so if it on none or add events only, you will need to change it to the full access, so that way you will enable the option to connect or sync your calendar, right? So now just return to Waze and check your planned drives to see whether eligible calendar events are available. So if calendar events don't appear, make sure Waze has permission to access your calendar in your phone's privacy or app permission settings. Also check that the calendar event includes a valid location, since Waze needs a destination to plan the drive. And once connected, Waze can use relevant events to help you plan when to leave and navigate to the event location. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.